yesterday. The first typhoon, a wind hit in the Sorsogon and some parts of the Philippines. We're almost not outside. The rain since yesterday. So be careful, guys. We cannot go outside. It's heavy rain. Yes. Just be careful, everyone. Heavy rain here. We have typhoon here. Bring a lot of rain. God. This is the location where I am at now. Oh, it's too cold. And the rain is heavy. Extremely heavy rain. So, all of you out there, be careful. Don't go out. I'm just here in the window looking at some videos happening outside. Oh no, very strong rain. I can get some boat. So guys, be careful, wait out there. Thank you so much for watching.